So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Bumble, and it's going to be very short and to the point video. Let's firstly log in. After you log in, you have to allow all the permissions that the app asks for. Enable location. Now in Bumble, we have got two modes, that is, let's tap these three short lines at the top left side and you'll get here two modes, that is date and BFF. Now currently I'm on the date mode. If you want only friends on Bumble, you can choose the second mode, that is BFF. And your Bumble swipe page will update according to the BFF mode. But I'm going to use the date mode here. Now this is the main page here, that's called swiping page on Bumble. You'll get the profiles of people here based on the gender, age range and distance range that you select in the settings. You can just scroll down to see the profile of this user and see other pictures that the user has. Now if you are interested in the person, you can just swipe right, and if you are not interested, you can just swipe left. And if the person that you had swiped right also swipes you right on Bumble, then you'll be a match. And in Bumble, we all know that girls have to make the first move. So that's all about the swiping tab. Let's go to the likes tab. Currently I'm new on Bumble, so I'm not getting any likes here right now. Let's go to chats tab here, and you will get all the chats here that you initiate with people. This diamond shaped tab gives you the list of people who are popular in Bumble based on the number of right swipes that they receive. Now let's go to the profile tab here. And on the profile tab, you can customize your profile and add pictures, edit your name, details, everything. Let's go to settings here, and you can customize so many settings here, including the logout and delete account. Let's go back, and I have got one more thing on the swiping tab here, that's this filters. Tap on filters and you will get this option. Now you can select your preferred gender here and the age range. We have the advanced filters here, but we can access it only by purchasing the premium plan. So that's all about Bumble. Keep your profile high and try to put pictures that are very clear and professional. It will give you more matches on Bumble. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.